साइंस है और ये रीड कर रहा हूँ मैं। लेसन नंबर 1, द लिविंग वर्ड, एडेप्टेशन एंड क्लासिफिकेशन। लेट रियल in watch different ways in the diversity in living things in a great variety of plants in found on the earth. Some plants have colorful flowers. Some plants grow in water, though some are to be found in desert which have a scarcity of water. Some plants are found only in snow regions. Some plants cannot be seen without a microscopy, whereas some are huge in size like plant animals to show diversity. Some are unicellular, other multicellular. Some are vertebrates, whereas other are invertebrate. This world is full of variety of animals, quick terrestrial, emblem, reptilian, airline act. This observation give rise to the question, how did this great diversity come into being? Can you tell? Are the plant and animal from Kashmir and Rajasthan of the same type? Can you elaborate on my differences between the two coniferous trees like pine and deers flowers in some regions like Kashmir, hovers in the desert of Rajasthan. Plant like cactus and acacia, babu are to be found. The camel, a bisect animal in the found in Kashmir. What in the reason for these differences? Adaptation. Gradual changes occur in the body parts and also the behavior of organism which help them to adjust to their surroundings. Such changes are called adaptation. They take place over a long period of time. Visit various water bodies such as a river, brook, pond, lake in our surrounding. What difference do you observe between terrestrial and aquatic plants? Some of the question plants are firmly rooted in the soil at the bottom but bottom of the water. Their stems are submerged while leaf and flower float on the surface. However, some plant are entirely float. Their roots are not anchored in the oil soil. The surfaces of leaves and stems of many Christian plant are plant are plant are covered with with a waxy layer leaves of some Christian plants are thin and cylinder like a ribbon. This shape helps them to withstand fast current of water. Air spaces in stems and petioles of aquatic plants are useful for floating in water. Sorry, हमारा क्वेश्चन आंसर है. Why does water like? Take two potted plant, one a cactus and the other a lefty plant. Tight plastic bags loosely around the leaves of this plant and keep them in sunlight from early in the morning. In the afternoon, bring those pots into the classroom and observe them as the some quantity water collected in both bags. Decide plant are in the leafless or their leaves are like small needles or they have been modified into horns. As a result, they lost very little water by evaporation on air pollution. The stem stores water and food and is therefore flies. The stems are green as they perform photosynthesis. Thus, in the absence Desert plants are either leafless or their leaves are like small needles or have been modified into dots. As a result, they lost very little water by evaporation. The system stores water and food and is therefore fleecy. The stems are green as they perform performs photosynthesis in the absence of leaves. Their roots penetrate deep into the soil in search of water. There is a thick layers of a waxy substance on the stem of these plants too. In that way, are sloping branches usefully to plant in a snow region. Plants of snowy region many include conifers like deodar and pine. These trees are conical in shape due to their sloping branches in the have snowfall and extreme cold in these regions. Their conical shape prevent the snow from accumulation on the tree, and the thick dark help the tree to withstand the cold.